Good morning, everybody. Sorry for the loud wind noise. Well, it's Saturday morning, and I'm headed for my first service, the 500-mile break-in service. So I'm headed to Thousand Oaks to my dealer. They are going to put heated grips on that I ordered and the tire pressure monitors as well. So after that, we'll do some riding. I imagine it's going to take a while, so I may go eat lunch, maybe grab a movie. Captain Marvel just came out. I'd like to see that. So I'll see you in a few minutes when I get to the dealer. Come on, damn it. This light's way too long. I just need to get up to 500 miles. Jesus, that's a long light. Jeez. Okay, hit 500 miles. Alright guys, 500 miles. Now, is that weird that I showed up for my 500 mile service with exactly 500 miles? Probably is, but let me know what you guys think. We are here. Well, the service department said it should be about 4 hours, so I'm going to head over to see Captain Marvel, I think, and eat some lunch at the closest mall. And then when we get back, we'll see how this baby rides. Alright everybody, service is done, the engine light's off, I'm headed towards the ocean. It's too hot to try my heated grips, but I'll do that later. Let you know how it is. This is a very narrow road. Never been on this one. This turns to Decker apparently, but who knows? I'll find out. One thing I have noticed is that these heated grips are not really thicker. I thought they would be thicker. I thought I read that somewhere than the stock ones, but they feel exactly the same as far as diameter, which is fine. But I wouldn't have been bummed out if they were a little thicker, so it's always easier to grip. I'll have to see how long this gear position sensor lasts before it trips another code. They just reset it, so it could be any second, or it could last a day or two. That's a cool road. Now that the first service is done, I can open it up a little bit more. I'm still not going to rag on it, because I still think it needs some more breaking in. Oh! I just got a butterfly to the face. That's gross. Alright, that was a fun ride. Beautiful day. Photo shoot. Not sure if you guys can see all these butterflies, but we're just getting overrun with these damn things. The springtime and the extra rain we had this year, they're just way crazier than usual. Tough guy. Well, it's not really cold, so I don't need my heated grips. I had them installed perfect time for it to warm up. It's been 80 degrees today. I'll try them out though. See what it looks like. Let's see, one click off, low, high. Okay, so there's off, low, and high. 3 settings. Let's see what it feels like. See how long it takes to heat up. Yeah, they're starting to get toasty. Fairly warm. Heated grips are kind of nice. I just don't need them right now. So I got the tire pressure monitors. So that's the front tire, 51 pounds, rear tire, 51 pounds. The tire pressure monitors are a good peace of mind. I'm glad I got those as well. They seem to work fine. Well, the first service took all day basically, but I did get a little bit of riding in. The heated grips are nice, even though it's way too hot to be using them now. Looks like it gets over 100 degrees on high. Come on, birds. Oh. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and comment below if you're for or against heated grips. I personally think they're great. You don't need them a lot in summertime here, but in the wintertime, they do come in handy. They're definitely an extra comfort. All right, until next time, see you later.